Hi everyone, we've got Nokia C20 and let me share with you how to actually turn on or off the charging sound on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on sound. Now let's tap on advanced and scroll down to the very bottom, and as you can see here we've got other sounds and vibrations, and here we've got the charging sounds and vibration option, which is right now turned on. So if you're not the biggest fan of this kind of sound feedback, all you have to do in order to turn it off is to tap on the switcher, and right now it is disabled. Of course you can turn it on whenever you want to. So actually this is it. This is how to manage the charging sound in your Nokia C20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.